Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the project and essentials so you can act immediately. First, enable the Vertex AI API and pick a region that matches your data locality. Next, create a Google Cloud storage bucket and upload a representative sample dataset. Then make a service account with storage and Vertex AI permissions and authenticate with G-Cloud using the JSON key. Once done, open the Vertex AI console or use G-Cloud to create a new dataset resource so you have a tangible target for training. You now move into the detailed execution. Pick AutoML for quick models or custom containers for full control, and choose a sensible data split like 80/20. Configure compute. Pick CPU or GPU machines, for example N1 Standard 4 or A2 HiGPU, and set hyperparameters such as batch size and learning rate. Launch the training job through the console or G-Cloud, then monitor progress via cloud logging and TensorBoard if available. Make incremental adjustments to hyperparameters and retry until validation metrics. You finish by deploying the validated model to a Vertex AI endpoint. Create the endpoint, configure auto-scaling with min/max nodes, and deploy your model specifying CPU/GPU resources. Then send test prediction requests to confirm behavior. Once deployed, enable request logging and set alerts for error rates or latency. If something goes wrong, first check service account IAM roles, ensure the model region matches the endpoint region, and verify project quotas and container startup logs. These are the most common causes of deployment failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.